Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by confirming basics and launching the install. Make sure your phone is Android or iPhone and has enough free space. Classroom needs about 100 MB. Once done, open the Play Store or App Store and search for Google Classroom. You should use the Google account that your school or organization uses. This ensures classes appear. Tap Install or Get and wait for the download. This step begins the hands-on setup, so you can fully access assignments and announce. Now you sign in and give the app the permissions it needs to work. Open Google Classroom, choose your existing Google account or add one. Using the correct account makes your classes appear. When the app requests permissions for notifications, storage, or camera, grant them so you can submit photos, receive alerts, and save materials. Once signed in, go to the Classes tab and pull to refresh so the app syncs recent class lists and assignments. This ensures everything updates correctly. Finish by joining classes and confirming everything is functional. Tap the plus icon, choose Join Class, and enter the class code provided by your teacher. You'll then see coursework and announcements. If a class doesn't appear, make sure you're signed into the correct Google account and that your internet connection is stable. If problems persist, sign out and back in, clear the app cache, or reinstall the app. You can also check Google Classroom on a browser to verify class codes before retrying on your phone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.